Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give complete explanation about 10 IT MNCs started their hiring. Those the company is going to provide a good job in your career. So watch the video till end. Don't skip it out, guys. I will give a clear explanation what all the key skills should mention in your resume, what all the things you should advancedly know. Everything I'm going to give explanation. So watch the video till end. Don't skip it out. If you skip out, you will miss so many content. So before going this, once again I'm requesting guys just subscribe and like my channel, guys. So the first one, which is going to be an HCL, started their off-campus hiring for 2020 and 2022 batches from all over India. Here itself they can mention the easiest Google form they mentioned as per name, middle name, email ID, date of birth, and in the address form you just want to know one thing. Here they asked only your flat number and your street number. Here they asked about street name only. Don't mention one line in full address and your district, city in the mean district. And your state you just mention it, and you will feel difficult while here itself only. The zip code in the meaning of your pin code of your district, and this is alternative Indian, everything should be fine. So you will felt like where you will feel difficult here only, guys. About the UG or PG which you mentioned here, if you mention UG means they will ask about your final semester. If the semester ended April itself, so you can mention April, and the joining date should be, you can mention like April, August, September. They are like this August. Just mention, no problem. Nothing won't happen. Your college place number, college placement officer number. Without filling this, you cannot submit the form. And your college ID, you just search it in your Google and fill those things. And the next one will be San Divine started their training engineering from all over India. This is from Electronic Cities, Karnataka. You are going to work on multiple job role for this detail. This is what the job and the equivalent department they here also they can mention here, guys. All from B Tech, from CS or computer science with the coding knowledge is must. If you are willing to work in any IT field, you just want to know one thing, which is the coding. If you fail to convert the coding, if it's you are going to lose the job, so you won't get a job. And if you are already working also without coding, you cannot survive in IT job. So this is service based company, so look at here, don't pay any charge, they won't charge any amount, guys. All engineering graduate with the basic project they can apply for this role. This is bunk for junior net developer role for engineering category. Here itself they can mention hybrid model from Chandigarh. From employing jobs from all over India. In these things, there are multiple opportunities. They are mentioned 0 to 1 year, so all branches can apply for this role. Electronic engineers, B Tech. So here itself they can mention. So yeah, bachelor engineering with coding knowledge should be there. So I just mentioned already, coding must be for all IT companies. Be prepared for any one coding language, guys. By side SQL is main, guys. This is from Spinning Career, from front-end developer career from Haryana. Work from full-time job only, guys. B Tech all can apply for this role. This are all the things they are expecting from the student. So you can visit this also. And this is going to be a Java net developer. From Sprinkling and from Associative Machine Learning. If you have done any courses in machine learning in Coursera or at sprinkling.com, you can start apply for this internship or role. If you have done any certification, you can start apply. Here itself they can mention here. And the thing which all IT companies need, and the line which is going to be good written and communication skill. Without communication skill, you cannot survive in IT field. Communication skill is the main skill in all IT companies. So train your communication skill as much you can. This is from graduate training engineering from Siemens, one of the toppest and oldest MNC, requiring all kind of B Tech, MEM check from 0 to 1 year of experience they can mention. Any one language you should be very proficiency. Without that you cannot apply for this role. If your resume has been shortlisted, you are going to contact by Bangalore branch, and they will conduct interview, everything will be there. This is what they from Red Hat. You are going to fill the form, which is your name, contact number, current address. I am blankly filled it. Here is the things which you should see. They will ask 4 kind of roles, which is graduated looking for job, undergraduated, final year, graduated with organization or final semester. Which will suit for you, just mention it. You are Just a minute, guys. Sorry, in between. They will ask you UFN and a PF account created or not. No, you just give nothing, won't be there. And you just want to click here next. By clicking next, I given something. Sorry, guys. I'm coding which coding your proficiency. And this is for without start, so you can fill anything, no problem. Open shift I can work, you just give it for freshers. If you want to work reliability, software domain, everything you are going to choose out. So next thing about the external officer, 6 months you will be applied in Red Hat, everything they are asking here, guys. So based upon your availability time, you just filled out here, and at last you are going to upload your resume. This is what they from Red Hat. This is from Cisco. You are going to update Workday Engine portal. They won't charge any amount, guys. For the software engineering, network embedded system, all kind of BTech, ME, MTech and students apply for this role. You can read out here what all the skills they mention. This is which I mentioned. Computer science, max, physics and 2023 passed out also they can apply from 8 into 2023. And another role will be technical graduate role India. This is from also same BTech, ME, MTech all can apply for this role, guys. And the next one will be junior developer from Vodafone started their hiring permanent job role from experience or freshers. They are looking for an 2022 passed out graduate and who are all having knowledge in any one of the field. This is what the things they are expecting from the skill set. If you skill set mentioned it, just start applying. Toshiba with the first Naurkri, I will provide link in the description. How to create a first Naurkri account. Watch that video and start applying. You are going to apply in first Naurkri. Without creating first Naurkri account, you cannot apply. This is what they are from 2022 passed out from all over India. With the 70%, the branches they can mention here itself. CS, IT, ECE, all kind of branches can apply for this role. Here itself they can mention 3 ratings they are given. So you can start applying, guys. If you are not account, just create a free account and start up. These are the companies for today. So I'm just providing multiple company. Once you subscribe, it will be helpful for you to get more update from my channel. Click bell icon, my notification, you will get more jobs update from our channel. So thanks for watching this, guys.